Isa sa mga importanteng nangyari lately sa UK is yung announcement ng ating Prime Minister about their proposal. Again, it's a proposal, itong white paper na sinasabi nila. It's a proposal to change immigration laws. And marami sa community natin, lalo na yung mga nurses dito sa UK na kinakabahan.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Get some. Hi, Manong George here. And siguro napapansin nyo, bihira na tayo gumawa ng bagong content. Well, medyo life update lang, napaka-busy natin lately. But anyway, to be honest, hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung mangyayari. Pero I have 3 ways to suggest para kumbaga we can impact this positively. Okay? By the way, if you want to read this, I posted this on my Facebook page, tsaka dun sa Facebook group. Kaya if you want to impact this positively, take my 3 suggestions. Okay? So first, write to your local MP. Ngayon, this is very doable dito sa UK, no? MPs listen to their constituents whether you're voting or not. So hindi ito closed para sa aming may passport holders na. But you as somebody who lives in a certain area, meron kayong MP, write to them, tell them what you do. Kung ikaw ay nurse, kung ikaw ay carer, for sure you make a positive impact sa general society ng UK. So let them know what you do and how this can impact your lives. Right? Kasi I'm sure they have to hear out what you have to say, and then if they get enough responses from people, from their constituents, then they will raise this up with the necessary people or even in Parliament.
I've been contacted by several constituents who are currently on a work visa and looking at their path for a way for indefinite leave to remain. They are understandably worried, Home Secretary, about where this uncertainty leaves them. They're worried about their future plans. One even told me that they are worried and they're considering leaving the UK because their settled status here is under jeopardy. So can the Home Secretary please outline whether this policy applies to people who are already living and working in the UK, or will it just be to new visa applicants?
Home Secretary.
Well, thank the honourable friend for her question, and she is right to say that there are people working in all kinds of jobs across the country, contributing to our economy and to our communities, who have travelled here from all over the world, and that was hugely important. We will set out further details of the earned settlement and citizenship reforms later this year, and we will consult on them. So there will be plenty of opportunity for people to comment on and consider the detail. But it is important that we have extend the sense of contributions and the points-based system to those reforms as well. We have also said that we will maintain the current 5-year route for those who have come on a dependence visa, on a family visa as well, as part of maintaining families.
Also, kung may nanonood nito na katulad natin na British passport holders, if you really care about your community, the general Filipino community na concerned dito sa law na ito, then again, my suggestion, write to your MP. Let them know how this impacts us as a community. Alright? It will definitely go a long way kasi nga, if needed, they will raise this up and talk about it in Parliament mismo. Alright? Next. Speak to your employers. Bakit ko sinabi speak to your employers? Sabi ko nga, may nag-comment yata sa akin or nung ginagawa ko to, sinabi, bakit ko paguguluhin yung employer ko? Well, this would definitely affect employment, retention, and even hiring, no? Kasi as we all know, lalo na kung nasa healthcare industry tayo, understaffing is a really big issue dito sa UK. Unfortunately, wala pa talagang magandang plano ang gobyerno to ensure na, this understaffing difficulties is fully addressed. Kaya lang, kung iibahin na naman nila yung immigration laws, of course, mahihirapan lalo ang mga employers natin. No? So, I would suggest start an open dialogue with your employers, get them to respond to the government, make sure that kung malay mo, if one of your employers or one of those key people that would be consulted by the government, they can act in your behalf and tell them, this actually impacts us. Mahihirapan kami. So kung magagawa natin yun, we can get our voices heard. So very, very important yan. Speak to your employers about it. Ask them, is there a plan that you're doing? Are you being consulted? What are you planning to do should this happen? Even more forward pa yan, di ba? So, makita lang nila na concerned kayo, makikita nyo rin kung gaano sila concerned sa inyo at gagawa rin sila ng paraan para ma-mitigate itong looming at nakakatakot na pwedeng mangyari, no? So, ayun. And lastly,
hello, Bella. Why you crying again? I know, Vampire writes, Vampire will fade to me. Why don't you come and join the Filipino UK nurses? Summer get-together sa Big Penny Social London instead on June 29. See you there!
Bilang part ng general Filipino community, I'd like to promote our support with each other. Ingat naman tayo kung ano yung pinopost natin or kinakalat nating balita, especially kung unverified ito. Kasi the more that we proliferate unverified negative news, minsan kasi hindi natin maiiwasan. The more you see it, it becomes the truth. Hindi rin natin natulungan talaga yung bawat isa. Dito sa UK, sabi nga may nagsasabi nga, Pilipino rin lang ang tutulong sa Pilipino, pero minsan Pilipino rin lang ang hihila sa kanyang kapwa Pilipino. Kaya be careful, be supportive rather, and be helpful sa ating general population. Magtulungan tayo. Kung merong kayo nangangailangan ng tamang impormasyon, let's open that dialogue. Let's talk to each other. Kasi sama-sama tayo dito. Okay? Yun lang naman po. Again, this is Manong George and we are at Filipino UK Nurses. Kung may mga tanong kayo, please drop us your questions. Mga importante yung tanong, lalo na ngayon at this stage na wala pa rin yung consultation, wala pang final. Throw us your questions and we'll try and gladly look for experts who can give us relevant and important answers for your questions. Ayun. Marami pong salamat and hope you have a good day. And always remember, Manong knows.
Manong knows best, put your worries to rest. Well,